If you don't know the days of the week in German, you can't make appointments, you can't talk about your weekend, or you can't even say see you on Friday or see you in any day of the week. But don't worry, let's fix that right away. Hello everyone, you are welcome to Learn German with Happiness. Today we are going to be learning the German days of the week. Days of the week in German language, and that is called the Wochentage. The Wochentage. So let's get right to the video. In German calendar, the days of the week start from Monday instead of Sunday that we all know. The days of the week in German calendar start from Monday. So the first day of the week in German is Monday. Monday, not Sunday. So now let's learn the days of the week, the Wochentage auf Deutsch. Montag. Montag. Montag means Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Monday is the first day of the week in German language. So the first day of the week is pronounced as Montag. Montag. The second syllable, Tag, is not pronounced as Tag. Tag. No, it's pronounced as Tag, which is Montag. Montag. Dienstag. 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 Dienstag means Tuesday. 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 Tuesday is the second day of the week. Second day of the week. Dienstag. Dienstag. Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Woch. Mittwoch. Mittwoch means Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. We have Donnerstag. Donnerstag. Donnerstag means Thursday. Thursday. Donnerstag. Freitag. Freitag. Freitag means Friday. Friday. There is a word in German which is frei and another word which is Tag. Frei in German means free and Tag means day. Tag, day. Free day. If you are translating it word for word, it means free day. Free day. So Freitag is Friday. Friday. And Friday is the fifth day of the week. We have Samstag. Samstag. Samstag means Saturday. Saturday. Samstag. 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 Saturday. We have the last day of the week, which is Sonntag. 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 Sonne and Tag. Sonne and Tag. Sun and day. Sunday. 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 Sonntag means Sunday. We've learned the days of the week in German. So now let's look at, if you want to say on Monday, there is a preposition in German that we use to say on Monday, on Tuesday, or Wednesday, on Thursday, and so on. So in German, we use the preposition am. Am Montag, on Monday. Am Dienstag, on Tuesday. Am Mittwoch on Wednesday. Am Donnerstag on Thursday. Am Freitag on Friday. Am Samstag on Saturday. Am Sonntag on Sunday. Which day of the week can you pronounce well in this video? Put it in the comments section. Kindly like, comment and share this video to your friends that are also learning German. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Dankeschön. Tschüss.